In this video, I'm going to show you how to download mods for Minecraft 2025. The first thing we need to do is we need to open up the Minecraft launcher like we normally would. Okay, once we're in the Minecraft launcher, make sure that Minecraft Java Edition is selected, and from here, all you want to do is you want to open up the version of Minecraft that you are trying to run mods on. So for this video, we're going to be running mods on Minecraft 1.21.4, but if you want to run mods on any other version, then you would need to go to the top menu, press on installations over here, press on new installation, and then go ahead and search for whatever version. So for example, if you want to go ahead and get mods for Minecraft 1.16, you will go ahead and look up Minecraft 1.16 over here, and then basically all you need to do is you need to go ahead and press on this green button that says play, because before we even download any type of mods, we actually need to have that version of Minecraft already opened up previously. Alright, so we now have Minecraft open right over here. Yep, you will notice that towards the bottom left, it will say Minecraft 1.21.4. So once you're done with that, you can go ahead and just close it out. And then from here, we can proceed to the next step. The next thing you want to do is you want to go to the link in the description down below or the link in the pinned comment. And then it is going to bring you a page that looks like this, which will also provide you with a written guide showing you guys how to actually do this process. But this page will also provide us with the essential files and tools that we need in order to run mods on Minecraft. So as you're able to tell, we just did step number 1, and now the next step is to download a mod loader. And essentially, a mod loader will bridge the gap between a Minecraft mod and Minecraft. And there's two main mod loaders for Minecraft, and that is Forge and Fabric. Now for this video, I'm going to be downloading Forge, but you can download Fabric, and basically certain mods will work on certain, mod loaders and stuff like that. But in my opinion, I just prefer Forge, so I'm going to go ahead and press on this link over here that says Forge download, but right underneath it is the Fabric download as well. So all I'm going to be doing is pressing on this link just like so, and then all you want to do is you want to go to the left menu and just make sure that you do have the correct version of Minecraft selected. So I got my version of Minecraft over here, Minecraft 1.21.4. So all I'm going to be doing is pressing on installer just like so. And then all we're going to be doing is we're going to be going to the top right and then pressing on skip. And then it's going to download the Forge installer.jar file. So all we're going to be doing now is we're going to be dragging and dropping it to our desktop just like so, just to make this process a bit easier for you guys to actually see. And now all we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and move on to the next step. All right, now before we can actually start opening up the Forge files and stuff like that, you will need to have Java installed on your device. Now, if you already have Java installed, then you don't need to do this step, but probably if you're watching this video, you don't have Java. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on this link that says go to Java's official website. And then it is going to take you to a link that looks like this. And essentially, we need Java in order to read .jar files, and it will basically allow us to run mods, shaders, and stuff like that. And it's incredibly important for anything Minecraft related. But anyways, guys, once you press on that link, it is going to take you to a page that looks like this, where it will provide you with the direct download to Java. So once you're over here, you want to make sure that you do select JDK21 like so, and then go ahead and select on the operating system you're currently on. So me personally, I'm on Windows, so I would go ahead and press on Windows like so, and then I would go ahead and install the x64 installer. And basically, once we finish installing Java, we could run jar files and run Java files and stuff like that. But if you're running into any type of issues, then what you could always do is you can go ahead and run the jar fix. And jar fix is basically an executable file that will, hopefully fix up any issues you're having. So if you're having issues running Java on your device, then go ahead and press over here to where it says jarfix.exe program, and hopefully that should fix up everything. All right, so now that we got Java installed and we also have the Forge installer, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be locating the Forge installer, which I did put to my desktop, but obviously you could always find it in your file explorer and then underneath downloads. But all we're going to be doing is we're going to be right clicking on it like so. Then we're going to go ahead and select on open with. And now that we have Java installed, you will now notice that we will get the option that says Java and then TM Platform SE Binary. And all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on that option just like so. And then it is going to open up a menu that says Forge Installer, and make sure that Install Client is turned on. And over here, it is going to show you exactly where it is going to download Forge on your device. So once you're done with that, go ahead and press on OK just like so. And now it'll begin downloading the libraries, processors, and stuff like that. So just be patient patient, and it really shouldn't take that long, honestly. All right, and if we did everything correctly, it will now say successfully install client profile. So once you're done with that, go ahead and press on OK, and from here we can go ahead and proceed to the next step. Now the next thing we need to do is we actually need to start downloading mods in order to actually play. Now there's tons of websites out there, however please be very careful, but one reliable website is CurseForge, and over here it'll provide you with the direct link to CurseForge, and then from here you guys can go ahead and install all of these different mods. So honestly, from here, go ahead and have fun and find a mod that you guys want to actually install. So for this video, I'm going to be installing the Journey Map mod, which is a classic mod, and basically it is going to present you with a page that looks like this. And then all you want to do is you want to go to the right menu and you want to select on the version of Minecraft you are currently using, what you've been using throughout this entire video. So recall that earlier in the video we were working with Minecraft 1.21.4, so all we need to do is we need to select on Minecraft 1.21.4. Okay, now that we're here, all we need to do is we need to go ahead and make sure we download the correct version. So recall, we downloaded Forge, the mod loader. So over here where it says mod loader, you want to make sure that Forge is actually an option. So yep, we do have Forge right over here. As you're able to tell, this one does say Fabric and NeoForge. Don't download those. Download the one that is compatible with your mod loader. So this one is compatible with Forge. So we're going to go ahead and just download it by pressing on these three dots over here and then pressing on download file. And now it should download the mod relatively soon. All right, guys, and here is the mod, and I'm going to go ahead and just drag it out to my desktop just to make the process a bit easier. But we can now go ahead and proceed to the next step. Now, the next step is to go ahead and open up the Minecraft launcher like you normally would. Okay, once we're in the Minecraft launcher, what you want to do is you want to go to the top menu and select on installations. Now, for starters, make sure that over here where it says versions, that modded is actually turned on, because this is considered a modded version of Minecraft. And from here, you just want to make sure that the Forge installation is actually on, the Minecraft launcher. So here it is, Forge for Minecraft 1.21.4. So that is how you know you are on the right track. But obviously, you can go ahead and press on new installation and then just look up Forge and then for the certain version of Minecraft, just like so. But anyways, guys, all you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and just locate the installation once again. Then we're going to go ahead and press on this folder icon just like so, and then it is going to open up a bunch of folders. But guys, do not worry, because all we need to do is we need to go ahead and open up this one folder that does say mods, and then what we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and we're going to drag and drop the mod file inside right here. So there you go. We were able to drag it in. And once you're done with that, you can go ahead and just close out of it. Then open up the Minecraft launcher once more. Go over here to where it says play. Make sure that you do have the Forge installation actually activated. So I'm going to go ahead and just switch it like so. And then go ahead and press on play and press on this box that says I understand, and then go ahead and press on play one more time. And now it'll begin to install everything, and then it should open up Forge for Minecraft. All right, guys, so here we are. You will now notice that it will say Forge beta right over here. And now all we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and just open up any Minecraft world. And here we are, guys. And if you do look at the top right, you will now notice that we actually do have our journey map. And just like that, you are now able to add mods into Minecraft. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.